Hello Sagittarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is a reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side the energies of the person you are thinking of or you're dealing with, and then the mutual energy or the outcome. So please feel free to pick your sides and swap the characters according to your situation, and as they are general readings, so they may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies or on one side and energies of the other person on the other side, so you have to pick your sides. And yeah, for the personal reading, the details are given in the description box below. And if this reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. So let's see what we have for Sagittarians. This is a very common card trick. King of Cups, the Chariot on your partner's side, and the Five of Cups in the outcome. Oh my god, what's happening? So on your side we have the King of Cups. So basically you are in good control of your emotions. You are emotional about a situation, but you are, I think, not showing much of your emotions. Very, very emotionally controlled, emotionally mature. Though you have emotions, that's what I feel, but you're not showing them much. And here on your partner side we have the Chariot. So definitely I think this person wants to make a move. This person wants to move forward in the relationship very fast. This person wants to take action, and perhaps you are not moving that fast or not moving ahead, whatever it is. Maybe not even showing your emotions, perhaps not investing as much, not even as much, you are investing minimal perhaps, or not investing at all, because outcome we have the Five of Cups. So there is a lot of upset energy, a depression. This person, this is a mutual outcome, so definitely it's not very happy, depressed, unhappiness. So I think it is because of the fact that your person wants to take things forward and you are not doing it, and that is why this mutual energy is coming up. Let's see. We have the Ace of Wands, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Four of Pentacles. So here what I've, again, that's what you are definitely closed off. You are in good control of yourself. Basically you have a lot of control on your emotions. You're not showing your emotions. Perhaps you're focused on something else. You're working hard on something else perhaps, or even if it is this, but you're still working. Perhaps you need to work hard on your emotions and on yourself before you open up. Maybe there is a reason behind that you're not opening up and you're very closed off. Maybe you are working on yourself, on your emotions, on your thought process, whatever it is. But with the Ace of Wands you will open up. There is a new beginning over here, so I think it will be okay. It will be okay. Let's see. But this is, as for now, the other person is not really happy with the way you are behaving. That's what. You are working on your emotions. That's what I feel. You're working on something, or maybe you're busy with something else. That's why you're not opening up. But yeah, a lot of work is going on, and that is why you are closed off. But you are happy on your own, not much disturbed on this fact. You are taking your own time. But yeah, there is a new beginning over here with the Ace of Wands. Let's see, why is the Chariot there? On your partner's side, Two of Pentacles, Ten of Cups, and the Page of Swords. Yeah. So this person is also undecided and getting confused. I think this person is confused because you are not making a move and you're closed off, and they are not able to understand as to what's going on. That's what I feel. And with the Ten of Cups there and with the Page of Swords, that's what I said, you will open up. There is a new beginning here, and here also with the Page of Swords and with the Ten of Cups, this person wants commitment, and I think it will happen. Perhaps this person wants commitment from you, and you're not giving that commitment or opening up, and that is why this person doesn't really know what to do. But they will understand things with the time, perhaps, when you'll open up and you'll tell them whatever your reason is. And with the Ten of Cups, this person wants to marry you. This person wants commitment from you. At least that is what they want, and that is why they want to move fast. They want a commitment. They want to make things happen fast, basically. Okay, so let's see what's the outcome. Ten of Wands, the Nine of Wands, and the Star. Okay, yeah. So this person wants commitment over here, and they are puzzled as to why you are not taking any move, making a move, not taking any decision, and why you're not showing whatever you feel. This is over here, and that is what they want. And here as the outcome, this person is upset, I've already told you. And here with the Ten of Wands and the Nine of Wands, there has been a lot of, you are unburdening, things are getting fine, and the only thing is it has been pretty long, quite some time. In this time you're taking a long time opening up. It's been a long time that this person is waiting for a decision, and which is just not happening. But with the Star card, yes, there is hope, things will be okay, and things will be sorted out. So in spite this part, there is a lot of unburdening, things are unhappy, the person is unhappy, but because of the weight, I think this burden and this upset feeling and this depression is whatever it is because of the fact that this person is waiting from quite some time, maybe many years for you. Okay, but with the Star card, I see this is wish fulfillment. So this, you will be happy, things will happen, things will really materialize. Okay, so there's nothing to worry over here. It will take some time, give them the time, whatever they require. Okay, Sagittarian, so that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.